Hi everyone, we're still trying to get Stan going. In our last video we tested the battery using the voltmeter and the battery charger, and it appeared that the battery was just fine. So after getting lots of advice and watching some YouTube videos, people seem to be talking about a wire that was over here, but we have this box that's here, and I don't know if that's unique to being Mexican. In the video they didn't have that box.
Oh.
So what I learned from my neighbor is that when you first put the battery charger on, you need to wait for 5 to 10 minutes to see if there's any charge being drawn. So we thought that the battery was full because the charger wasn't giving any to the battery, but in fact it was so low that we needed to wait. So checking on the meter this morning, it looks like the battery may be charged. It's not really drawing anymore. Okay, so the moment of truth, we're going to see after charging all night what happens. We do have some flickering going on. Okay, so since we saw the lights on, ooh, is that wrong? Okay, we're going to try this again. Okay, since we saw the engine lights on, I'm going to put the charger back on for a little bit. Oh yeah, so now it's back up to almost 3. Please subscribe and like to continue to encourage me and to prove my husband wrong that no one cares about my videos. Have a fabulous day, everyone.